Welcome back to our new video. Today's video is all about how to add a Google Street View map in Divi theme page. Let's start with a new page. Give a name of the page. Select Use Divi Builder. Choose Start Building from Scratch. Insert a row. Select the module Code. Then go to Google Map website and search for your Street View location to add. Click on the bottom right corner icon and drag it to the place where you want the street view. Once you are okay with it, go to the top right corner, 3 dots icon and click on Share or Embed Image. Click on the Embed a Map and copy the HTML code. Go back to the page where you want to insert. Paste the code on that text window and save changes. Now you can see the Google Street View on that page. To edit the width of the Google Street View, click on the gear icon and change the width value to 100% and save changes. Now you will see the full width Google Street View. Save and publish the page. Click on the Exit Visual Builder and see the final result. Thank you for watching. We'll meet you again in another wonderful video tutorial.